Hi guys, Samantha from Jessama Tutorials here, and today I'm going to be talking about what colours of clay you should start with if you want to limit the numbers of colours you have to buy when first starting polymer clay. So I'm going to start with Kato because quite a few brands are like this, where you have to just buy 3 primaries, which are red, yellow and blue, and then you will also need a black and a white, and then you can start with that, but another great option is to go and buy a translucent and a pearl white, which is a metallic. And that is a great way to start your collection because you'll be able to mix just about any colour you want. You'll be able to add the translucent to make it translucent, or the metallic to make it a bit more shiny. So that is a great way to start your clay collection. However, some brands such as Premo have a little bit more of a complicated colour range. So they operate in warm and cool colours. So you're not going to be able to start with just a blue, yellow and red. You're going to need to start with a warm blue, a cool blue, a warm yellow, a cool yellow, a warm red and a cool red. And so the ones for those in Premo are ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, cadmium yellow, zinc yellow, cadmium red, and this is the best red I can find. I think there's a new red coming out very soon. It might be out by the time this video comes out, but pomegranate is the best one I have at the moment as far as a cool red goes. And so you need to be careful to only mix these together. If you mix this cool blue with this warm yellow, you'll end up with mud, and so if you're mixing these together you're going to have a lot of trouble. So keep them together like this. So if you want warm colours, keep it to the warm colour range. If you want cool colours, keep it to the cool colour range. But if you're going to want to get started and want to make any colour you want, you're going to need all 6 of those. Then another thing that you're going to want from Premo is a white. And I only have large whites at the moment because I use a lot of clay, but you'll be able to get them in the same small blocks like this. So you'll need a white and a black to get started, and just like I said with the Kato, you might want a pearl white and a translucent. And now again, like the other colours that I was talking about with Premo, where you have a warm and a cool variation, the Premo Translucent also has a warm and a cool variation. The warm variation is just called simply translucent, but there is a cool variation where it has a slight blue hue rather than a yellow hue, which is called Premo White Translucent. And so if you can, I'll get both translucents and mix the Premo Translucent with the warm colours and the Premo White Translucent with the cool colours to achieve the best effect. And so a few brands are going to be like that, but those are the 2 brands that I recommend for the most part. And so definitely see about getting those colours to get started. Those are the minimum amount of colours you're going to need to get started with the Polymer Clay brand. You can limit it to just the warm spectrum if you want to. So you could just get the warm colours in the primary colours. You could get the black, white, pearl white, and then the warm translucent, which is just simply Premo Translucent, or you could get all of them so you could have a full spectrum of colours. Now some brands you're not going to be able to do this with. For example, Souffle. Souffle has a black and a white. They don't have a translucent or a pearl white, and pretty much all of their colours are mixed. So they have a pretty good yellow here, but then let's see, they don't really have a primary red. This is probably the best red you'll be able to get. And as for blue, Lagoon is pretty much the best one. But you can see that these are not primary colours. They're close to the primary colours, but if you start mixing these together, you're going to be getting quite a bit of mud because these already have other colours mixed into them. So when starting with a brand like Souffle, just pick the colours that you like and would like to use in a project. So some brands you have to just look out for that, but not many of them are like that. Most of them you'll be able to get primary colours, black, white, and you'll be able to mix up basically any colour. So I do hope that that was helpful to you and that will help you start your polymer clay collection without having to spend too much money, because buying all of the colors can be a little bit daunting and oftentimes you won't be able to afford all of them at once. So just buying a few colors in the beginning, but the right sort of colors, is definitely the way to go. And so I hope that was helpful to you. You will need to mix up your color recipes, and so do look out for the next video in the series, which will be how to mix your colors, because I want to show you how to mix up colors using some primary colors. And so if this was helpful to you, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.